Hi, my name is Oluwashola, and this is a walkthrough of my data analytics project titled Superstore Sales Dashboard. This was task 1 from Data Science and Analytics Internship by Future Interns, and in this task, I was asked to analyze e-commerce sales data using Power BI. The goal of this project was to build a professional interactive dashboard to help business stakeholders answer key questions like what are the best selling products, when do sales peak throughout the year, which categories or regions generate the most revenue. So the first step I took was data cleaning and preparation. I started with the Superstore data sets found on Cargo, which contains 3 tables: the orders table, people's table, and returns table, which has information about sales, profits, customer segments, and more. In Excel, I cleaned and formatted the raw data to ensure consistency. Then I loaded it onto Power BI, where I performed further transformation using Power Query to remove unnecessary columns, correct data type, like changing order dates to dates and reformat them to the day, month, year format, and also changing this region data to region category, country data to country category, city data to city category, and more. The next step was to develop the dashboard. I built an interactive dashboard in Power BI using visuals such as bar charts to compare profits by category and segment, also line chart to show monthly profit trends, and pie chart for shipment mode distribution, and maps as well to show statewide sales distribution. I also use card visuals for KPIs such as total sales, total profits, and most profitable products. Some of the key insights I discovered: one was that technology is the most profitable category, and also Canon Image Class 2200 is the most profitable product, and also sales tend to spike in certain months towards the end of the year. For most year, that trend shows in 2011, it shows in 2012 and 2013 as well. Although there's a peak around the first quarter of 2014, the trend is also there in 2020, towards the end of the year. Also, the majority of shipments were made using standard class, which accounts for almost 60% of total sales. Most sales came from top performing individuals like Anna Andrade and Chuck Maggie. Chuck Maggie, for example, made a total profit of $91,520. Anna made over $108,000. So I also added 2 slicers so that the business viewing this data set can categorize the data by year and by region. This makes it easy for users to slice data by specific period location to get tailored insights. For the business value, if I were presenting this to a business owner, I would recommend focusing marketing efforts on the technology category, as technology is the peak category that is generating the most income. You should also consider optimizing shipping cost for standard class order, as that class accounts for over 60% of shipping mode. Also, they should analyze sales dip months to understand and address performance gap. The tools I used are Microsoft Excel, Power BI for data modeling, data analysis, expression query, calculations, and visualizations. And I developed key skills in data cleaning and transformation, business storytelling with visuals, and creating calculated KPIs using DAX, as well as time series trend analysis. In conclusion, this project helped me gain practical experience in working with real-world e-commerce data and building insights that can support strategic business decisions. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this useful.